asking to borrow money. Hi, Mia. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
I'm okay, I guess.
You look worried. What's wrong?
Well, I have a small problem.
You can tell me. What is it?
I need to buy a new textbook for my course.
Oh, I see. Are they expensive?
Yes, this one is very expensive.
That's a shame. When do you need it?
I need it by next Monday.
Okay, so how can I help?
This is really hard for me to ask.
It's okay, Leo. We are friends. You can ask me.
Thank you for saying that. Mia, can I borrow some money?
Of course. How much do you need?
I need $40.
$40. Let me check.
It's totally fine if you can't.
No, it's okay. I can lend you $40.
Really? Thank you so much.
You're welcome. When can you pay me back?
I will pay you back on payday next Friday. Is that okay?
Yes, next Friday is perfect.
I promise I will return your money.
I know you will. I trust you.
Thank you for your help. You are a true friend.
Don't mention it. Do you need the money now?
Yes, please, if it's not too much trouble.
Okay, here is $40.
Thank you again. I really appreciate this.
You're welcome. Good luck with your course.
I will see you later.
See you later. Bye.
Bye, Mia.
The forgetful roommate.
Oh, no.
What's wrong, Mark?
I can't find my wallet anywhere.
Did you check your bedroom?
Yes, I checked everywhere. It's gone.
Take a deep breath. When did you last use it?
I think last night at the grocery store.
Okay, maybe you left it there. You should call them.
I will, but that's not the big problem right now.
What's the bigger problem?
I have to pay my part of the electricity bill today.
Oh, right. It's due today.
And without my wallet, I can't pay it.
How much is your share?
It's $50.
That's not too bad.
Chloe, this is really embarrassing to ask.
You need to borrow $50?
Yes, just until I find my wallet or get a new card.
Of course you can. We're roommates.
Thank you so much. I promise I'll pay you back as soon as I can.
I know you will. You're always on time with the rent.
I'll call the store right now about my wallet.
Good idea. Let me get my phone to transfer the money to you.
You can just do that?
Yeah, it's easy. What's your phone number?
It's 555-1234.
Okay, sending it now. You should get a notification.
Wow, that was fast. I got it.
See? Problem solved.
You're a lifesaver, Chloe. Really.
Don't worry about it. Just buy me a coffee next time.
I'll buy you 10 coffees.
One is enough. Now, go call that grocery store.
I'm on it. Thank you again.
Anytime. Hope you find your wallet.
The surprise gift.
Oh, look at this scarf, Sarah. It's pretty. The color's nice for you.
It's not for me. It's for Mom's birthday.
Oh, that's a great idea. She would love it.
It's $35.
That's a reasonable price for a good scarf.
Oh, it is, but I only have $20 with me.
You didn't bring your bank card?
No, I left it at home by mistake.
That's too bad. It's the perfect gift.
Sarah, can I ask you a big favor?
What kind of favor?
Can I borrow $15 just until we get home?
For Mom's present?
Yes, I'll pay you back as soon as we get to the house.
Well, how can I say no to that?
So, yes?
Yes, of course. It's for a good cause.
Thank you. You're the best sister.
Okay, let me get my wallet out.
Mom is going to be so surprised.
She really will. It's a wonderful choice.
I'm so glad you're here with me.
Me too. Here you go, $15.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. Now let's go pay for it before you change your mind.
I won't change my mind. Let's go to the counter.
I'm right behind you.
This is going to make her birthday so special.
It really will. She needs a nice surprise.
At the counter, we'll take this scarf, please.
It's a gift for our mom.
The lunch dilemma.
Oh, come on. Where is it?
Everything okay, David?
Hey, Ben. I think I forgot my lunch card.
Again? This is the second time this month.
I know. I'm so forgetful. And I'm really hungry.
The food today looks good too.
Don't remind me. That pasta looks amazing.
So, what's your plan?
Well, my plan is to ask my friend Ben for a small loan.
You want to borrow money for lunch?
Just $10. I'll pay you back first thing tomorrow.
You said that last time.
I know, and I did pay you back, right?
That's true, you did. So, can you help a hungry coworker? Okay, fine.
Thank you. You saved my life.
Just your stomach, I think. Here you go.
I owe you one. A big one.
You owe me $10 and maybe a coffee.
Deal. I'll buy you a coffee tomorrow.
I'll remember that. Now order your food. The line is waiting.
I'll have the pasta, please.
That'll be $10 exactly.
Perfect. Thank you, Ben.
Enjoy your lunch.
I will. This is the best pasta I will ever eat.
Because it's free for you?
Exactly.
The urgent repair.
Tom, is that you? What happened?
Hi, Lisa. I have a flat tire.
Oh, that's terrible. Do you need help?
I called the roadside service, but there's a problem.
What kind of problem?
Frustrated, they only take credit cards over the phone.
And you don't have one with you?
No, I left my wallet at home. I was just going to the grocery store.
That's unlucky. So, what will you do?
Lisa, I know this is a lot to ask.
How much is the service?
It's $75.
Ooh, that's quite a bit.
I know. I can pay you back tonight. I live just on your street.
Number 42, right?
Yes, that's me. You can trust me.
Okay, Tom. I believe you. It's an emergency.
Thank you. You have no idea how much this helps.
Let me get my card. I'll pay for it over the phone for you.
Thank you so much. I'll give you cash as soon as I get home.
It's fine. Let's just get your car fixed first.
Okay. The service number is right here.
Hello? Yes, I'd like to request a tire change.
I am so lucky you walked by.
It's no problem. They're on their way.
Great. They said it would be about 30 minutes.
Do you want me to wait with you?
You don't have to do that.
It's okay. I'm not in a hurry.
Thanks, Lisa. I really appreciate everything.
That's what neighbors are for.
The concert ticket.
Oh, wow. This is amazing.
What's amazing?
They just released last-minute tickets for the Aurora concert.
The one tonight? I thought it was sold out for months.
It was, but a few tickets are available now.
That's great. You love them.
But
But what?
the ticket is $80. I only have $50 in my account.
Oh, that's a problem.
It's a once-in-a-lifetime chance.
Can you ask your parents?
They said no more concert money this year.
That's tough.
Jake,
I have a huge, huge favor to ask.
How huge?
Can I please borrow $30? I will get paid from my part-time job on Saturday.
It's Saturday, so in 3 days?
Yes, I can pay you back first thing Saturday morning.
$80 is a lot for a concert.
I know, but it's Aurora. You know they're my favorite band.
I know. I hear their music from your room every day.
So, please, I'll be your best friend forever.
Aren't we already best friends?
Then, as a best friend, please help me.
Okay. You convinced me.
Really? You're serious?
Yes, it's important to you, and you'll pay me back on Saturday.
I promise. I'll even write you a promise note.
That's not necessary. I trust you.
Thank you, Jake. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Let me transfer the money to you now.
Okay, my username is Anna_M.
Sent.
Got it! I'm going to buy the ticket right now.
Go for it before it's gone.
Purchased! I got it! I'm going to the concert.
I'm happy for you.
You are the absolute best. I owe you one.
Just have a great time at the concert.
I will. I'll send you videos.
I'd like that. Now, let me get back to my studying.
Sorry. I'll let you study. See you later.
Bye, Anna. Have fun tonight.
The farmer's market.
Good morning, Mr. Chen. Your tomatoes look beautiful today.
Good morning, Lily. Fresh from the farm this morning. The best.
I'll take 2 pounds, please, and some of those green onions.
Ooh, excellent choices. Anything else for you?
Let me see. Oh, no.
Is something wrong?
I think I left my purse at home. I only have my shopping bag.
That happens. Don't worry.
But I really wanted these tomatoes for my sauce tonight.
You are a good customer, Lily. You can pay me next time.
Oh, I couldn't do that. It wouldn't be right.
I trust you.
Wait, I have my phone. Maybe I can call my roommate, Kate. She lives nearby.
If you like.
She might be home. Hi, Kate. It's Lily.
Hey, what's up? Are you at the market?
Yes, I'm at Mr. Chen's stall. I have a little problem.
Did you forget your purse again?
Yes. How did you know?
Because you did this last month. How much do you need?
You're the best. It should be about... Mr. Chen, how much for the tomatoes and onions?
That will be $12.
Did you hear that? $12.
Okay, no problem. I'll be right there. I need to buy some lemons anyway.
Thank you so much, Kate. I'll wait for you here.
See you in 5 minutes.
She's on her way. Is it okay to wait?
Of course. It is a nice morning.
I'm so sorry for the trouble.
No trouble. It is good to see young people like you.
I'll pay you back as soon as she gets here.
There is no hurry.
Oh, I think I see her. Kate!
Hey, I got here fast. Here you go.
Thank you. I'll pay you back as soon as we get home.
Don't worry about it. Just give me some of that tomato sauce later.
It's a deal. Here is $12. Sorry for the wait.
Thank you, Lily. See? Problem solved.
See you at home, Lily. Bye, Mr. Chen.
Goodbye. Have a good day, both of you.
You too, Mr. Chen, and thank you for being so understanding.
The phone bill shock.
No way. This can't be right.
What's wrong?
My phone bill. It's $150.
What? How? Did you go over your data again?
I may have used my phone as a hotspot to watch movies last week.
Kevin, we have Wi-Fi at home. Why would you do that?
I was at Mike's house, and his Wi-Fi was down. I didn't think it would be this much.
Well, now you know. That's an expensive lesson.
The worst part is it's due tomorrow or they'll suspend my service.
And you don't get paid until next week? Exactly. So what's your plan?
Well, you're my brother.
Oh no, here it comes.
Please, Ryan, I'm really in a bind here.
You said the same thing last time you needed money for concert tickets.
And I paid you back for that, didn't I?
Yes, you did. Eventually.
I'll pay you back the day I get my paycheck. I promise. I'll even write you a formal IOU.
A formal IOU.
Yes, with my signature and everything.
And what about the movies? No more using your data like that.
I've learned my lesson, I swear. I'll only use Wi-Fi from now on.
$150 is a lot, Kevin.
I know. I'm sorry to ask. I really have no one else to turn to.
Okay. Fine.
Really? You mean it?
Yes, but this is the last time for something like this. Understand?
I understand. Absolutely. Thank you, Ryan.
And I want that IOU.
I'll write it right now. Grabs a notepad. I, Kevin Miller, owe my brother, Ryan Miller, the sum of $150.
To be repaid in full on next payday, which is the 15th.
On the 15th. There. Here you go.
Okay, I'll transfer the money to your account now.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. You saved me.
I know. Just try to be more responsible, okay?
I will be. I promise. No more data surprises.
Okay. Sent. You should see it.
Got it. The payment is processing. Whew.
Good. Now, can I get back to my book in peace?
Yes, of course. I'm going to go pay this bill right now.
That's a good idea.